be using a FRAM Fresh Breeze with baking soda cabin filter, and it'll be CF11920. And I'm sure this will be the same for all the other escapes as well, as far as from 2014 to current, which is 2018 Ford Escapes, regardless of whether it's the S, SE, or titanium. Okay, you'll need either a ratchet or something with a bit like this, your star bit. I don't know exactly what the size is. It is your star bit. If you get one of these ultra tough, ultra steel 65-piece ratchet screwdriver set, you should be able to have the right one. And it'll be the one that'll end up being right there. Okay, well, here we go. And I did a video like this for a 2017 escape, I think, 2017 to 2014, but it wasn't with the FRAM Fresh Breeze absorbent. And I advise changing these out every 15,000 miles. There will be the screw. There's probably an easier way of doing this. And then there will be your cabin air filter. I suggest changing these out every 15,000 miles, especially if you go through a real dusty area. Probably would have been better to take this off, this cover here. And this is what you'll pull down for that. And then the other one's right there. Pull this down. Just leave it out of the way. Yeah, I can see it better. See, this is pretty dirty. It's not as dirty as it is. I think my current mileage is like 13,000, 15,000. I decided just to go ahead and change this out right now. But I suggest every 15, no more than 20,000 miles. Change your cabin air filter out. If it gets real dirty, it makes it harder for the vehicle to get circulation, which can affect the engine. And this is what the Fresh Breeze cabin air filter looks like. Looks like it's dirty, but it's just rough looking. So it's got a little bit of a smell, but not much. And this is going to be kind of a pain in the ass. Probably should have took the glove compartment off, but I'm not too familiar with how to do that. So just stick it right up there and be sure your vehicle's off, because otherwise you will shock the shit out of yourself. And it's just not wise. Okay, be sure this side is facing that way and this side is facing you. That's why I was having such a damn difficulty putting this fucker on. But yeah, it goes on like that. I forgot how I took it off. That's how it should pretty much look. Make sure it's snugged in there, those teeth. These here are snugged in this. And then your screw will go right there. Bastard. Damn it, come on. There it goes. Okay, that spot to be using a ratchet. What's even worse is this is a star bit. so it's going to be easy to strip the fucker. Make sure they go back and fit in the holes. Okay, there it is. And then put your little, whatever you want to call them. There's the other one. And that concludes this video.